Alright, what's up, y'all? So, I didn't have time to actually film much when I was actually doing the work. I was solo doing this, so I didn't really have the time. But it's a pretty simple install. It's basically 7 push-in tabs that you got to pop out on the door panel. It's 3 Phillip head screws at the bottom, and then it's 2 Phillip head screws in the middle. Alright, so after you get all of those screws out, the door panel is pressed in place with like 3 kind of push in things in the middle that's connected to the door. So you just tug on the door towards the midsection to pop all of that loose. And then the door will be free. So the only things left holding it are the wire harnesses that connect to the locks and the window switches and the actual cable that goes into the door handle. And all of that can be removed by hand. So you don't need any special tools. Once you get that done, there'll be a black control box in the middle of the door panel, as you can see right here. And there's 2 wire harnesses going into it. The left wire harness has a red wire sort of in the middle. That's where you're going to get your positive wire from. And on the right wire harness, there's a purple wire that you get your negative from for the door light. And on the driver's side, the purple wire is purple with the tan stripe on it, and the passenger side is purple with the blue stripe. So that's where you're going to get your ground from, to where when you open the door, the light is going to come on. When you close the door, the light will go off. And once you wire those up, splice your wires in, tape everything off, put your door panel back together, and you'll be good to go.